A Mapo Tofu is a beloved dish from the Sichuan province of China, known for its rich culinary heritage and bold flavors. It is renowned for its fiery, savory, and aromatic flavors, which are a hallmark of Sichuan cuisine. This classic dish features soft, silken tofu in a spicy, flavorful sauce that tantalizes the taste buds. The name Mapo Tofu translates to pockmarked old woman's tofu, reflecting its humble origins. Legend has it that the dish was named after an old woman with a pockmarked face who ran a popular eatery in Chengdu, the capital of Sichuan. Her unique recipe quickly gained fame. Mapo Tofu's popularity has transcended borders, captivating taste buds worldwide and becoming a favorite in many international kitchens. Its unique combination of textures and flavors makes it a true culinary masterpiece, appreciated by food lovers everywhere. The dish showcases the bold and pungent flavors characteristic of Sichuan cuisine, making it a standout on any menu. These include the use of Sichuan peppercorns, which create a unique tingling sensation on the tongue, adding to the dish's complexity. Before embarking on your Mapo Tofu adventure, gather the essential ingredients. Each ingredient is a vital note in the symphony of flavors that make this dish so special. Each component plays a crucial role in creating the dish's harmonious blend of flavors. From the tofu to the spices, every element has its own unique contribution. Tofu. Choose silken tofu for its smooth and delicate texture. This type of tofu is perfect for absorbing the rich and spicy sauce. It absorbs the flavors of the sauce beautifully, ensuring every bite is packed with taste. Pork mince ground pork adds a savory depth to the dish. Its rich flavor complements the tofu and spices perfectly. Opt for a slightly fatty mince for optimal flavor and moisture. The fat helps to carry the flavors and keeps the dish succulent. Chili bean paste. This fermented paste is a cornerstone of Sichuan cuisine. It brings a deep, complex umami flavor to the dish. It provides a deep umami flavor and a vibrant red hue, adding both taste and visual appeal. Sichuan peppercorns. These unique peppercorns impart a distinctive tingling and numbing sensation. They are essential for an authentic Mapo Tofu experience. Toast and grind them for the best flavor. This process releases their aromatic oils and enhances their unique taste. Aromatics, garlic, ginger, and spring onions add fragrance and complexity to the dish. These ingredients form the aromatic base that elevates the overall flavor profile. Stock chicken or vegetable stock provides a base for the sauce. It adds depth and helps to meld all the flavors together. Soy sauce. Light soy sauce enhances the savory notes. It adds a subtle saltiness that balances the other flavors. Corn flour. A touch of corn flour helps to thicken the sauce. This ensures the sauce clings to the tofu and other ingredients, making every bite delicious. Now that you have your ingredients prepped, it's time to embark on the cooking process. Follow these steps carefully to create a delicious Mapo Tofu. First, prepare the tofu. Gently cut the tofu into bite-sized cubes. Bring a pot of water to a simmer and add the tofu. This will help to firm up the tofu and prevent it from breaking apart during cooking. Next, brown the pork. Heat a wok or large frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the pork mince and cook until browned. Break it up with a wooden spoon as it cooks. Then, bloom the aromatics. Add the garlic, ginger, and spring onions to the pan with the browned pork. Cook until fragrant. Add the Sichuan peppercorns and cook for another minute. This will release their unique, numbing flavor. Create the sauce by pushing the pork mixture to one side of the pan. Add the chili bean paste to the empty side and cook for a minute. Pour in the stock and bring to a simmer. Stir in the soy sauce. Gently transfer the tofu from the pot to the pan with the sauce. Be careful not to break the tofu. Simmer for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld together beautifully. Finally, thicken the sauce. Mix the corn flour with a little cold water to make a slurry. Pour the slurry into the sauce and stir until thickened. This will give your Mapo Tofu a rich, glossy finish. And there you have it, a perfect Mapo Tofu ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot with steamed rice for a complete meal. Enjoy the bold flavors and the delightful textures of this classic Sichuan dish. Happy cooking! Be careful not to break the tofu. Simmer for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Finally, thicken the sauce. Mix the corn flour with a little cold water to make a slurry. Pour the slurry into the sauce and stir until thickened. Section 4. Mastering the art tips for Mapo Tofu. Perfection. To elevate your Mapo Tofu to new heights, consider these helpful tips. Don't overcook the tofu. Simmer it gently to maintain its soft and silky texture. Use high heat when browning the pork to achieve a nice sear. Adjust the amount of chili bean paste and Sichuan peppercorns to your spice preference. Taste and adjust the seasoning with soy sauce if needed. Garnish generously with chopped spring onions for added flavor and visual appeal. Section 5. Savor the flavor. Serving your Mapo Tofu. Mapo tofu is best served hot over steamed rice. The fluffy rice perfectly complements the bold and spicy flavors of the dish. For an authentic Sichuan experience, pair your Mapo tofu with other classic dishes like kung pao chicken or dan dan noodles. The combination of flavors and textures will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Mapo tofu is a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of Sichuan cuisine. With its fiery kick, savory depth, and satisfying textures, it's no wonder this dish has become a global favorite.